Understanding romance is about more than just love. Romance is a journey. It's about the promise of love. Readers crave emotional connection. A satisfying ending is a must. Romance novels have a special formula. The couple must face challenges. They overcome obstacles together. Their love grows stronger. Think about your favorite romance novels. What makes them work? What tropes do they use? What kind of characters do they feature? Understanding the genre is key. It helps you meet reader expectations. It lets you add your unique voice. Crafting characters that capture hearts is essential. Characters are the heart of every romance. Readers need to root for the couple. Give your characters flaws and strengths. Make them relatable and realistic. Think about their backstories. What are their motivations? What are their fears? Backstories add depth and intrigue. Dialogue is crucial. It reveals character and builds relationships. Use dialogue to show chemistry and conflict. Setting the stage for love is more than just a backdrop. It influences the mood and atmosphere. It can be a character in itself. Choose a setting that enhances your story. A bustling city can create a sense of excitement. A quaint small town can offer charm. Consider the time period and location. Research your chosen setting thoroughly. Sensory details bring it to life. Describe the sights, sounds, and smells. Section 4. The Dance of Desire. Plotting your romance. Romance novels thrive on conflict. It creates tension and keeps readers engaged. Common conflicts include internal struggles, external obstacles, and misunderstandings. The climax is the turning point, where the conflict comes to a head. And of course, the resolution should be satisfying. Section 5. From Tension to Triumph. Building your love story. Pacing is important in romance. Don't rush the emotional connection. Let the tension build gradually. Use dialogue and internal monologues to show the characters' feelings for each other. Use sensory details to create intimacy. The ending should be hopeful, leaving the reader feeling satisfied. A happily ever after is the ultimate goal. Section 6. Sharing your love story, editing and publishing. Editing is crucial for any writer. Polish your manuscript carefully. Get feedback from beta readers, research agents or publishers, targeting those specializing in romance. A strong query letter is essential. Self-publishing is also an option, with platforms like Amazon making it easy. Be prepared to handle marketing and promotion.